See, normally I'm online. So this is a very interesting human interaction. How they really go about. A lot of people go to Kasoli, Shimla, and they're like, I'm enjoying myself. And normally they have this kind of thing. I'm at Kasoli. The caption was like, I'm at Kasoli, I'm enjoying myself, and the person is here. So I would like you guys to actually, when you write very wonderful, you should have some really smiling faces. Anyways, so Gurpreet Singh. Do we have Gurpreet Singh in the house? So please come up here and get this amazing t-shirt. Yes, Google developer. Wow, this is so nice. Wait for summers and then you can really show off.
Maybe you can give them the opportunity. Just very quickly, you can tell about yourself to the community.
My name is Gurpreet Singh and I am a web developer and a tech blogger, and I'm very excited here.
Thank you.
Okay. Moving on, we have somebody who tweeted on Twitter, Vikram Saini. Vikram Saini. Do we have Vikram Saini in the house? Please come, sir. Okay, and Swati Skitter. Sorry if something is wrong.
Swati
Skitter. Okay, I have something to talk about and lunch. Mahesh Yadav. Awesome. Can you guys please clap for them? And somebody, I really like this person who has actually he has used Google Plus, and his name is Anupinder Singh.
So we really appreciate if you use Google Plus also.
That is very nice, sir.
That's our own social media.
Please, sir. So it will be a date, the first letter of your word, of your name, okay? Given it text to yourself, and then your name. Like Sonic.
Some adjective starting from A which is relevant for you. Then maybe a short introduction.
He's going to leave after this, no?
For A, I always say awesome, right? And I hope you can hear me, right? So, quick introduction. Okay. Anupinder Singh, I work as an IT consultant for Postsoft Solution. I work as an educationist as well. And as Sir has shared a lot of ideas, so maybe we can come up with some of the things for integrating apps for you. So let's hope maybe I architect some of the things and maybe I present some. Thank you. Thank you very much for this t-shirt. I love to wear this because I have teams of developers. So it's rocking. Thanks.
Awesome.
Hi guys, myself Mahesh Yadav. So I am founder of Faustino. So Faustino is a word for the motive is fostering innovation in the region. So we have Faustino Labs where we are working on two products. One is around platform for sharing and finding 3D printable designs. The designs that can be printed on the 3D printer. And another one which is in inception is a platform around artificial neural networks, which I am learning and building a team around that. And apart from that, there is Faustino Ventures where we are working with startups here in Chandigarh in technology or technology-enabled businesses. So we happen to organize monthly events around emerging technologies like cryptocurrencies, 3D printing, big data. Last one was Founders Dating where 7 startups participated and each one pitched what their requirements, what they are doing and their requirements like in for 3 minutes. So I would like to get in touch with you guys who are into doing startups. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was marvelous Mahesh for you.
Hi, my name is Swati and I'm actually not a developer, I'm a UI enthusiast and I'm a graphic designer. So basically I came here because I wanted to understand how design is, first of all, like I'm excited about material design particularly, and my main interest is in exploring the user experience side of the design, because I feel like these days most graphic designers are coming up with very visually appealing designs, but taking out, they're overlooking the fact that design is supposed to be accessible, as Sir explained very well. As in, it's hard to bring design to the common people. Just like it's hard to explain the technology bit. So it boils down to making something that's easy to understand. Like it should just happen. So that's what I'm interested in exploring. And I hope this T-shirt fits me.
You can change the size later on.
मेरे टी-शर्ट नहीं दी उन्होंने, so I'm back. No, seriously, the so मेरे देती.
They had the size issue.
But anyhow, the issue is the size issue मेरे को दो. You should give me two then. But anyhow, when I was on my way out, thank you so very much. The gentleman said he wanted to ask me a few questions. So I just thought, why not? अगर आपका कोई issue है तो I can just take a few questions if you'd like.
So in 2009, I actually finished the education part of my role. So me with some engineering students met the director of the Punjab State Board of Technical Education, right? तो उस टाइम जो बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी कि लाइब्रेरी सिस्टम्स में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, that students were from different parts of Punjab and they were not financially well equipped to buy books, and the libraries were very far away, so they could not actually manage to find out if the books were available, and they took 5-hour bus rides just to find that the books weren't there. So we came up with an open source solution for the board. The director was also very happy with it, but in the end we worked for about 3 or 4 months, no charges or so. NIC is an organization that deals with the the servers and everything for the government. But then they actually rejected a free open source program that was free of cost, that was very viable, it's been used all over the world, and they said because it is just too advanced or our engineers cannot in NIC understand that. So we as developers want to do something for the community, the directors want to do the same thing, but when it comes to the actual implementation, it just fails because government departments have a hierarchy system है. Director says okay, do it, तो order आ जाता है, तुसी क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? What is your personal interest in this? And even if it is open source or college, the जितने भी students हैं वो करना बहुत चाहते हैं, everyone wants to do something for the community, but over here the system is such कि you're forced, you do something, it gets rejected, and because of no reason at all, because they don't understand. So Udai, what should the developers actually do to actually help the community out without without such things happening?
A very good question, but the question has a basic premise that, which is basically not true also. The basic premise is कि web पे आप जो करते हो उस world में या internet पे कर रहे हो उस पे, it requires approval. The best part of today's world, especially about this internet, is if you want something that is good and solid, and like the lady said, she said, in fact she probably understood it better. Exactly what I was trying to say. Things just happen. WhatsApp was what, 500 million or कितने user हैं उसके यार? अनाप WhatsApp के 400 something, but weird. Who went about telling those people to use this? There are no boundaries. WhatsApp doesn't go to a country and say कि मैंने अपना WhatsApp चलाना है. Internet है, चल रहा है. China, some countries are saying we will not allow this to happen. I'll just get back to you. The point is that the only thing that you can and should do is, जब संगरूर में मैंने शुरू किया था, it met. I'll give you another example. बड़े अच्छे for example आपको संगरूर का बताता हूँ. Just to explain where I'm coming from, this was totally our baby, his, mine, our officers. मेरी complaints भी हुई, लोगों ने भी कहा मुझे गोली मार दो सर, कंप्यूटर नहीं सीखूंगा, X, Y, Z. The line that I could not tell you, then I'll share it with you is, do you actually know why people learn computers? They didn't learn because कि मैं 6 फुट 4 का हूँ और मैं बड़ा खराट SSP हूँ उनको मारूंगा. No, they didn't. They didn't learn because कि अगर वो काम सीख जाए उनको अच्छी पोस्ट दे दूंगा. They didn't. वो इसलिए नहीं सीखे कि पुलिसिंग बेटर हो जाएगी, least bothered. पुलिसिंग अच्छी हो जाएगी, पैसे बनने का चांस कम हो जाता है. Who wants to do that? Do you actually know why they learn computers? I asked them two things. I said, do you realize what your children are surfing on the net today? We took some of the parents to open the nets in their own houses, go to the history and see. They were shocked to learn what the children were surfing. What do children surf? What do all of you surf mostly? Pornography. And for children it becomes even more dangerous because children are very young and very susceptible. When parents realize कि ये तो एक दुनिया है जहाँ बच्चे घूम रहे हैं, मिल रहे हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं है. That's a day got a shock of their lives कि this is something हमें पता नहीं है. And more importantly, that is where their concern came in. But was that it? No. The second part was, I said, how many of you like when your son says to you, Daddy, तुम तो आमदा ही कुछ नहीं लिया, मैं तो करके देना. The teachers telling him कि तू नालायक है was his ego in a different way कि how dare you tell me. The sons telling him कि बापू तुम तो पता कुछ नहीं लिया, उसी मैं दासना तो मैं करके देना चाहिए. And he told them कि इधर तड़ी मारता है ना, basically इन्हीं तड़ी या दो बटन हो गया काम. So बापू learned that and मैं काका मैं दासना तो उठाया जाए. The point that I am making is the consequence of learning the serendipitous outcomes were fantastic in a different way.